Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, embarked on his journey with a bold vision. In 1994, he left a stable Wall Street job to create an online bookstore in his garage. Fueled by his belief in the internet's potential, Bezos expanded Amazon beyond books. It transformed into the world's largest online retailer, offering everything from electronics to groceries, reshaping the retail landscape. Bezos' customer-centric approach, relentless innovation, and willingness to take risks were pivotal. He revolutionized e-commerce with new business models like Amazon Prime, Amazon Web Services, or AWS, and Kindle. Understanding that setbacks are integral to growth, Bezos embraced failure. This mindset allowed Amazon to learn and adapt, driving continuous improvement and innovation in its operations and offerings. Bezos prioritized long-term goals over short-term profits, a strategy that helped Amazon become a global tech giant. Although he stepped down as CEO in 2021, his legacy of visionary leadership endures.